painted stork, white ibis, cattle egret, and painted stork. Very interesting phenomena of painted stork fast feeding. 3 painted stork are in fast feeding. White ibis, cattle egret, painted stork.